Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and after that scroll and tap on the home screen section. After that you'll see here the hide apps section. Tap here once and now we can see here all the available applications on our device home screen which we can hide. So now just select the applications. For example, I'll hide also the Facebook and the Gmail. Now we can see here there's hidden applications, the 4, and just click here to done. And after that one will go here into the on our device home screen, or also if we'll just open the apps menu, we can see that we have now just here those 4 applications. They are not visible, and if you want to just turn them back, just go back again to the settings, to the home screen, click to hide apps and click on these minuses here just to make them visible again, then click here to done. And now we can see them here again in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.